Alright, so I'm sitting here and there's these birds that keep on chirping at me. And I'm going to try and zoom in on one. There's one of them. The rest are in that tree. Really annoying me. And yes, I know, curly hair, different. One of them is staring at me. Ah, there's another one staring at me. What do you want, you little baggot? See how close I can get. These aren't even my sandals. That's why they don't fit. I don't own sandals. It's another reason why they don't fit. Oh, these feel so weird. I don't know how to walk in these. If I fall in the pool, that's gonna really suck. There's one. He was staring at me. So's that one up there. There's like freaking tons of birds in there. What do you want? Yeah, you gonna crap all over everything again? You do that and I'll kill you. Again, because I can. That's a freaking hummingbird. Awesome. Oh, it landed. Never seen a hummingbird land before. He's up there somewhere. Oh, he's gone. Never mind. Alright, no, he's still there. Oh, there's two more. Oh, God. Attack of the pigeons. Yeah, there's a lot of birds, so... And pool time. So, see you guys later.